Hello and welcome to project number 1, Flappy Bird. In this task you had to try to varying the gap of the pipes. Second, trying to altering the distance between the pipe pairs, and third, implementing a pause state, yes, in order to pause the game. So let's see the first point. How did this work? So here we can see the first gap, and of course here I think you can see the different gap here a little bit wider and so on. So it seemed that the code worked. And by the way, I added here an optional task. So if you win, for example, a certain amount of points, you will receive a gold medal, for example. Okay, for the second part, varying the distance of the pipes, I made here this modification here with some kind of random. So the width when a pipe leaves the screen, another will be initialized. So here I experimented a little bit with the numbers, and it also worked. So let's show that. Well, of course, here you can see again some kind of distance. Here also one, it's a little bit shorter, and here even shorter, and again a little bit higher. So, which seems also to work. And for the third task, implementing a pause state, here I wrote my own class, PauseState here, being inspired by PlayState, just yes, here giving an enter function, for example. It was very important, of course, to also to transfer the score, pipe pairs, timer, the position of the bird, and the velocity, and of course the bird itself in order. Because if you change from play to pause state and not transferring those parameters, then the bird, after you went, for example, from pause to play state again, it lost its position, and yes, it didn't work really. So let's see how this looks in the game. So for example, if I pause here and now try again, the bird keeps its position. So for example here, yes, so it seemed to work. For example, if I pause here, and yeah, and by the way, the background and the ground is stopping, also the pipes. So here, if I go up a little bit further, so the game pauses completely, and if I press P again, it starts. Yes, and this was my task. Thank you for watching.